Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, I'm going to be sharing how to transform a basic outfit. And if you're new and you stumbled across this video, welcome. My name is Patty. You'll see a new video from me here every Thursday and every Sunday. So don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you never miss a video from me. Alright guys, so today is all about taking a basic outfit and kind of elevating it and how to transform it to kind of make it a cute, chic outfit. There's certain little things that can kind of elevate a plain, simple look instantly, and also by adding accessories, the right accessories, those little things will definitely kind of just change your look. Alright, so here are the 3 looks that I'm sharing with you guys today, and these are as basic and plain as can be. There's no accessories, no shoes, no nothing, just your plain basic outfits. And as the base, I chose pretty basic pieces just so it can be easy for you guys to style. I mean, I chose something as simple as kind of like denim jeans or shorts or a button-down blouse. These are all basic pieces that pretty much everyone has in their wardrobe, so I wanted to work with that as a base. Alright, so the first outfit we're going to be transforming is this one here. It's just your basic pair of denim shorts and a white sleeveless tank top. It honestly does not get any more basic than this. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and tuck in the shirt. Something as simple as tucking in your shirt will make a huge difference in your outfit. The shirt untucked, it just makes you look kind of like undone. It just doesn't look very well put together. So the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and tuck it in. Now look at the difference already, as you can see in this outfit. It just kind of elevated already like 10 points just by tucking in the top. Alright, now we're going to go ahead and start adding accessories. The first thing that I'm going to add is a belt. This one is black with gold details on it. Now the pants don't fit me big or anything like that, but I am adding the belt just to kind of spruce up the look a little bit. A belt is always a nice accessory without doing too much. It just already just spruces up an outfit. Then the next accessory that I'm adding to this look is a pair of stud earrings. Definitely don't forget your jewelry when it comes to kind of elevating an outfit. Just simple things like earrings and accessories like that will definitely make a big difference. So these here are just a simple pair of pearl studs. I'm also going to be adding some hair accessories. I'm just going to be adding a little clip to it, which also has pearls. And again, something like hair accessories will definitely kind of elevate your look and just add a little extra to it. There's so many hair accessories right now that are trending, so kind of like pick your poison. There's just so many. There's clips, there's headbands, just a ton for you to choose from. For this look, I'm just choosing a little clip on the side of my hair. Now we're going to be adding my favorite part, shoes. For this look, I went with a pair of flat white sandals, and these kind of have a little bit of that beaded style in the front. They're very simple and they just match perfectly with this outfit. Next, I'm going to be adding another element. I'm going to be adding a blazer. This again is something basic that everyone should have in their wardrobe. If you haven't seen my video of classic wardrobe pieces that every woman should own, I'll leave that link here for you guys and down below. And I definitely spoke about blazers. Blazers are such a classic piece to have in your wardrobe. So I went ahead and I added it to this look. Now this one here has a little bit of a trendy touch because it does have kind of like that animal print, and I'm just a big fan of it. But just adding this element of a blazer to a plain white top and shorts, it automatically definitely just changes the entire vibe of this look. I'm also going to be taking it a step further, and I'm going to be cuffing up the sleeves of the blazer. Again, just a simple little detail like that just kind of makes this look extremely different. Just something so small like that. So next time you think your outfit is feeling kind of boring or dull, just think about little details like that. Just kind of like cuffing up a sleeve will make a big difference. And then lastly, the bag to this look, just a plain black shoulder bag. I absolutely love how this look came out with all these little details and accessories. Comparing them side by side, you can definitely see such a big difference how this look got transformed from being super basic and adding all these nice accessories and elements to this look. All right, guys, for look number 2, I have here a pair of trouser pants with a gray long sleeve. Again, just two basics together, just your trousers and just a plain long sleeve. Now, the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and just tuck in the front of the shirt. I wanted to do something different, not tucking in the whole thing, just kind of tucking in the front for a more sporty, relaxed look. I'm also gonna be cuffing up the arms a little bit, just kind of play around with it. Just give it a little bit of flair, a little bit of style. And again, these little touches that you think is just minor, they definitely make a big difference in kind of elevating a look. I'm also going to be cuffing the pants as well, just to kind of bring the pants a little bit to life and give them a little bit more style. Now we're going to be adding the accessories. Because this top is a deep V-neck, I wanted to add a necklace to it. I'm actually going to be adding 2 of them, and just to kind of create a little bit of a layered type of effect with these necklaces. I also added a small watch to the look, and just adding these accessories is starting to bring this outfit to life. Now I'm going to be adding the shoes, and the shoes that I chose were a pair of Oxford. Now these have a little bit of a cutout detail in the back. They kind of have like that slingback style. These are super casual, super comfortable, and that's kind of like the look that I was going for with these trousers. A very simple, relaxed look, but adding those simple little touches and little accessories definitely spruced the look up. And then for the purse, I added a cream colored tote bag, just to kind of go ahead and match with the trouser pants and the light gray top. And then the last element that I'm adding is another accessory, which is sunglasses. Now I don't typically share with you guys sunglasses when I'm sharing looks here, just because I feel like it reflects so much with the ring light and it's not gonna look right. But definitely I always wear sunglasses whenever I get dressed and go out. Adding a pair of sunglasses is another accessory, and it definitely spruce up a look. As you can see here, these are brown ones with gold trim. It was definitely the item that this outfit was missing. And again, viewing these two side by side, you can definitely see what a big difference it makes to add accessories, kind of tucking in the shirt, cuffing up the sleeves. All of this just makes a big difference. Now the last look that I'm sharing with you guys is a pair of long denim jeans and a classic white button-up top. Again, 2 classic pieces that everyone definitely has in their wardrobe. Now these jeans have a little bit of that pearl detail on the bottom, but you can definitely do this look with a pair of plain jeans. Now the first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead and do a half tuck on this blouse. I went with a half tuck just to kind of give it a little bit of a stylish touch. I also cuffed up the sleeves, again just playing around with it until it just kind of looks a little bit more done and more stylish. Then for my accessories, I went with a pair of statement earrings. Now these are dangling, they're blue, and I just love how they kind of pop with this look and the white top. And I just love how it pops with this outfit, especially with the white top. And for the shoes, I went with a pair of blue mules. I went with a little denim on denim there. These are one of my favorite mules. They're actually from Shoe Dazzle. I absolutely love these, and they add a nice classic touch to this look. And for the purse, I added a shoulder bag and then the color pink, just to add a nice little pop of color to this look. And as you can see side by side, such a big difference in the 2 looks just by doing the half tuck, adding a couple of accessories makes a big difference. Alright guys, there you have it. Those were 3 basic outfits, and I shared with you guys how to transform them. I hope you guys enjoyed and learned something from this video. If you definitely feel like your outfits are looking a little basic, a little boring, just think about your accessories that you're adding and just little things like kind of tucking in your shirt and just cuffing your sleeves. Little things like that make a big difference. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The link is down below. You'll see a new video from me here every Thursday and every Sunday. And that is it, guys. I will see you guys in the next video.